Next, because we talked so much about not taking the racket back when volleying and keeping it simple and catching the ball out in front, I have a great drill for you that I would like you to practice. As you noticed, I moved to the back fence where I have obviously a windscreen. Position your feet as far as you can with your back almost against the windscreen. And from here, just practice the newly learned volley motion, just catching the ball in front of you, getting the racket set behind the path of the imaginary incoming ball for now, and just imagine that you're pushing the ball. Now, the reason I brought you here is just to show you that when volleying, if we would take the racket back, we would be hitting the wall, or in my case, the windscreen that is behind us. So I want you to understand that by imagining that your back is against something, if you would take the racket back, you would hit it. So when we volley again, we want to keep the racket out in front of our shoulders and avoid the backswing. So soon I'm going to set the ball machine, I'm going to bring it closer, or if you have a practice partner ready to feed balls for you, place your back against the windscreen, and as your practice partner or the ball machine feeds balls, I want you to practice, just like I will do in a few seconds, volleying without taking the racket back, and being conscious that if you would take the racket back, you would hit the windscreen. So let's see how it goes. So I just set the ball machine. I'm with my back towards the windscreen, holding the racket at the bottom, continental grip. I would just wait for the ball and catch it. By the way, you don't even have to step forward. Just practice catching the ball out in front. That's the whole idea of this drill, to not take the racket back. And all this catching motion should be done out in front of you. So the racket should not pass the line of your shoulder. You notice that I'm having a continental grip about 90 degrees angled between the forearm and the racket. Racket face slightly open, tip pointed to the sky. All I did was catch the ball without letting my racket go past the line of my shoulders. So this is a great drill to teach you how to avoid taking the racket back when volleying.